Hello guys, welcome to Official Tech. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more content from me. Now I'm going to show you guys today how to download Lucky Patcher, okay? So now let's go to Google and search for Lucky Patcher. Now you tap on the first link that appears, okay? You scroll down and tap on Lucky Patcher free download, okay? So you go scroll down again and tap on the download Lucky Patcher. So download installer 10.24 application, okay? So you can see the download button at the top right corner. Just tap on it to download your Lucky Patcher, okay? Download. Wait for it to download, okay? Wait. Tap on open, okay? Install. So there will be a pop-up from Google Play, okay? Just tap on install anyway to download your Lucky Patcher. Install anyway. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more content from me, and don't forget to also like the video.